Alright guys, well excuse my work attire here, but I want to get this seat on. So this is my 2025 Honda CRF450RL. I just got my seat in from Seat Concepts. It is a, I think I got an XL black on the carbon seal. The Honda CRF450 actually has a very stiff seat. It's like not very comfortable when you're riding, you know, it's very stiff. You get sore pretty fast. So that's one of the things that I noticed that like really bothered me right away was the actual seat itself. But the bike is great. I recommend it 100%. And I'm gonna try to remove this seat and figure it out. I've never done this before. So there's, I think, one bolt here and one bolt over on the other side. So we'll get started on that. I just want to do an unboxing of the current seat so you guys can take a look at that. All right, so I got the box here. It says do not open with a sharp object. So well, guess we won't be needing the screwdriver. Nice. Came extremely bubble wrapped. Whoa. So let's see here. Let's have a little bit of tape on there. Oh yeah, this is wide. I'll tell you right now, I don't have the smallest ass. I'm about 6'3" and 260 pounds. And believe me when I tell you, I love my Taco Tuesdays. But here's the seat. That actually looks pretty sick. So I did not get the, what do you call it? The grip tape one. That's super grippy on the top. This has like kind of like a carbon vinyl or something. And it's got the fabric on top. But they say this is for like street or like if you're gonna just be doing some like cruising around, you don't want anything that's gonna be super grippy. If you're gonna be off-roading, that's probably what you want. So a seat that's got a lot of grip to it. But this is kind of just going to be regular. And again, so we're just going to loosen up these two bolts right here that go on both sides, and we'll put this thing on. All right guys, I'm using a little impact here. Hopefully I don't ruin anything. There we go, there's one. This is a 10 millimeter right here, by the way. All right, that's two. So this thing, I think you're just supposed to pull it back just like so. And this is the Honda seat, the stock seat. Again, it's very stiff. I do not enjoy riding this thing with this on. Here is the new Seat Concepts seat. Just so you can see, again, I got the XL. This is the comparison between the two seats. So, you know, there's a lot more surface area with this one, and this is going to be a lot more comfortable. It's going to be a lot more enjoyable to drive, so I'm looking forward to that a ton. All right, so this thing here, I guess it's got a little entry point where it goes in through there. I think these just go down here, so just want to make sure that I made this up properly. Should be it right there. this point you could probably fast forward this. Just gonna screw these two in real quick, just to make sure that we're not screwing anything up here. And one thing I could tell you right away is that the seat looks like it fits pretty good. The fitment is good on this thing. Let's see here. Yeah, the fitment is pretty good. Looks like it might have a teeny bit of a gap on the sides right here. Like there's this little gap, but I'm not super worried about that. I think the only time I would really be concerned is if I am washing the motorcycle. And I think I did notice that the battery was sitting right underneath that seat, so I guess just have a little precaution, try to avoid it when you're washing it or something, I don't know. All right. Give it another few ugga-duggas. All right, and that's it. So the seat actually is looking like it's sitting there pretty good. All right, so we got the seat on here. Looks like it's seated pretty good, so oh yeah, big difference. I feel like I'm ready to go on a cross-country trip with this thing. With a wide, it feels so much better. Literally with the other seat, it was angled like this, so it's like feels like you're sitting on a 2x4 or something, you know. But with this seat right here, it's definitely a lot more comfortable. There's a lot more surface area, and gotta say I'm extremely pleased with it. So I'll do a quick walk around with the seat installed. Alrighty guys, so here it is. You kind of see a little bit of the fitment. There's a little bit of some gap right there. But overall, the seat is awesome. It's very, very, very comfortable. There you can kind of see a top view of that there. Feels very, very good. And it looks great. With the black, it kind of just breaks up the red a little bit, you know? Alrighty guys, well, put a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know what mods you guys have done to your bike. I'm actually really liking the look of this thing. It looks awesome. Can't wait to ride it. I will do a riding video to go more in depth of the seat comfort, so look out for that video. Peace.